my car, or I love my chain, or I'm just in love with that girl over there. So for all the people out there that fall in love with material items, we're gonna bump the beat a little something like this. I'm in junior high with a B+ grade at the end.
Before I fuck my first bad bitch that I got right after undressing, feeling like him, I'll puppy. Get this in your head, you hear it. That voice of confidence that comes down on you from the heavens, like yeah, you about to get it. Just hope that you don't stick your dick in the dud, cause that bitch can end up your wife or your mistress, or a chick the same type as your mistress.
Black girls in the bedroom, white girls in the bathroom. Fuck what I did last night. I'm just trying to spend 100 stacks every day of my life.
I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get some fresh and get some fire. The way we live in the day, right now, right now. Trends hang on the side.
Unside rappers are hungry, looking at me like it's lunchtime. I know there was a time where one side was king of the underground.
His ass last time he eat breakfast.
I don't eat.
That motherfucker,
He eats fucking cupcakes.
Here we go.